Okay, see all my sauces I finished from yesterday basically, and now I have time to do the put this one, you know, like circle like this, like round like that. I'm gonna put in the oven, okay? And then this one I'm gonna deep fry. So this is kind of like, you know, I make a piece like this, so I'm gonna deep fry this one, okay? So that way you can see the difference, you know. You can do this way or this way, however you like, okay? All right. I have a tray here. So you don't want to put much oil, but just touch up with a little bit of oil, okay? Just a little bit, not too much. Any oil, vegetable oil. So you just kind of like leave it separate a little bit, you know, so that way the heat kind of like go through that, okay? You don't want to be like stick them together so close, just like that, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in oven. After I put the, you know, like sauces in the oil a little bit, deep fry, and I come very close and carefully check. Have to be extra careful. Oh, look good. Oh, popping. Yummy. Looks so good. Onion, cauliflower, snow peach, all right, see, all my hard work is done. This is my sauces. This one, it look like this. So you just cut, you got like that. And this one, I like to serve like in the tray, so everybody pick big or small size they like, okay? So you wanna slide it like this, like triangle a little bit. That's how they do it in the supermarket, you know. That's where I grew up and see they do it. And I said, I can make that at my homemade. And I make it happen. Okay. Okay, see? Then you're gonna do like that. And you guys, you remember my Jeow Bong? You have to make this, okay? Make Jeow Bong first and make sauces. And you feel like you back home in Laos. Or over here, you just make your homemade. That is the best. Ma กินข้าวน้ำกัน กินข้าวกับใส่อัว You wanna see how good this look? Snap. Yeah. Ooh. Hamburg. Sad. Long head bunda. Try to do that, guys. It's very good. Chop lại. Miếng hóc bùa. Chăm kẹp bỏng. When you eat something like this, you have to eat a lot of vegetables. It's good for you.ครับ When you make sauces, you can put in the freezer. When you feel like you want to grill, take it out, put in the oven, deep fry. While you barbecue, you can grill them too. I normally cook them and I put in the freezer. Whenever I go visit my daughter house, my son, I take it out, visit them, and I have a nice dinner. Yeah. Sắp lại, sắp lại. This is very good. Jeow Bong, very good. Okay. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye. Love on.